Hey everyone, and welcome back to another Dropified video training tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to edit your themes and appearance of your site in WooCommerce. So the thing we need to do first, if we're going to change anything, is to log into WooCommerce and get to our dashboard. Now, in the left side of the screen, we can go down to this tab called Appearance in the menu. And here you can see Themes. So we'll click on that. And then on the screen here, you can see all of the themes we've installed. So if you want to change any of them, you can either activate them or preview them by pressing Activate or Live Preview. But what if you want a new theme entirely? Well, we can go to the theme store by going to Add New. And this is going to take us to a home screen of all the different themes you can install inside of WooCommerce. Now, you can always design your own and update them later, but that's going to be a lot more complex and a lot more advanced. So this is just going to be an overview of what you can find in the store. So here you can find a bunch of different themes. All of these are free as far as I can tell. They've all been designed custom by different artists and graphic designers. So this is a matter of choosing which one you think will accent your store the best. So if you want any of them, you can just go to Install. And if you want to, we can activate it. And so, just like that, our store has been rebranded and reskinned to this new theme. So what if you want to go more into the nitty-gritty and change more features of it to fit your idea of what you want your store to look like? So you can either go to this button right here, Customize, or go to the option in the left-hand side menu, Customize right here. And this is going to take us to an editing platform that lets you have a little bit more control over all of the different things in your store. So we can go to the theme settings, we can change the fonts, that'll show up on all the pages all together, the branding, so that's going to be logos, retina logos if you have customers using higher quality screens. And if we go back, you can change headers. That will show up on every screen, navigation icons. Basically, anything that you want to have control over, you can control from this editor. And so if you want even more control over what your store looks like, you can add CSS code as well by adding it here. So you can do footers, sidebars, basically everything that shows up on the screen you can edit to be the exact way you want it to be so that your store stands out and is different from the other people using this theme. You can use this as a plug and play, exactly use the theme how you want it, or you can use it as a launch pad. Or you can use it as a launch pad to really start building your own theme around what has already been made so that your store is different from everyone else's. This gives you a lot of control over what to do. And so that's going to be a pretty quick and brief overview of what themes. So that's going to be a quick overview of the WooCommerce theme store and how themes work inside of it. So that way you can use this as a jumping off point to make your vision for what you want your store to look like a reality. So that's going to do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please leave a thumbs up on it. If you have any more questions, you can always leave a comment down below. You can always subscribe to us if you never want to miss a video, if they're helping you out. We're excited about it. And don't forget to hit the bell icon next to it so that way you never miss a single video that we upload. And lastly, have a great rest of your day. See you later.